Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of iPhone 12 versus Nothing Phone 1. So let's get start the video. Start with dimension. Height. iPhone 12 has 146.7 mm height and Nothing Phone 1 has 159.9 mm height. Width. iPhone 12 has 71.5 mm width and Nothing Phone 1 has 75.6 mm width. Thickness. iPhone 12 has 7.4 mm thickness and Nothing Phone 1 has 7.5 mm thickness. Weight. iPhone 12 has 164 gram weight and Nothing Phone 1 has 179 gram weight. Let's talk about display in depth. Start with iPhone 12. iPhone 12 has 6.1 inches screen size and Nothing Phone 1 has 6.43 inches screen size. Resolution. iPhone 12 has 1080p resolution and Nothing Phone 1 has also 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. iPhone 12 has 9:5 ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. iPhone 12 has 460 ppi pixel density and Nothing Phone 1 has 411 ppi pixel density. Display type. iPhone 12 has Super Retina OLED display and Nothing Phone 1 has AMOLED display. Protection. iPhone 12 has a scratch resistant ceramic glass and Nothing Phone 1 has Gorilla Glass. A screen to body ratio. iPhone 12 has 86% screen to body ratio and Nothing Phone 1 has 86.3% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera in detail. Start with Apple iPhone 12. It's have a dual camera support and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.6, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk Nothing Phone 1. It's also have a dual camera support and its primary camera have 12 megapixel aperture 1.9, ultra wide 12 megapixel aperture 2.2 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk both the phone camera video recording feature. iPhone 12 can record 4K video at 30 fps and Nothing Phone 1 also can record 4K video at 30 fps. Camera selfie. iPhone 12 has 12 megapixel selfie camera and Nothing Phone 1 has also 12 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 4K video at 24 fps. Let's talk about hardware in detail. Start with iPhone 12. It's have a Apple Bionic A14 processor and Nothing Phone 1 has Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Generation 1 processor. CPU. iPhone 12 has hexa-core 3.1 GHz and Nothing Phone 1 has octa-core 2.4 GHz clock speed. Hardware GPU. iPhone 12 has Apple GPU and Nothing Phone 1 has Adreno 662 GPU. RAM. iPhone 12 has 4GB RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 has 6GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. iPhone 12 has 128 to 56GB internal storage and Nothing Phone 1 has 64 to 128GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. iPhone 12 doesn't support any expandable card slot and Nothing Phone 1 is also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. iPhone 12 has 2815 mAh battery and Nothing Phone 1 has 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. iPhone 12 has 20 watt fast charger and Nothing Phone 1 has 45 watt fast charger. Operating system. iPhone 12 has iOS 14.1 and Nothing Phone has Android 12 Nothing UI 1.0. Let's talk both the phone connectivity. Start with iPhone 12. It's have a Face ID, 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, Lightning USB 2.0, NVMe and 60 Hz refresh rate. Let's talk about Nothing Phone 1 connectivity. It's have a under display fingerprint, it support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz high refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk both the phone price. iPhone 12 come around $54,000 of $691 of 4GB RAM variant and Nothing Phone 1 come around Rs $28,000 of $358 of 6GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's come on result. iPhone 12 versus Nothing Phone 1. Design wise both are look similar. Camera wise, there is a better camera on iPhone 12 and better camera is also on Nothing Phone 1. Hardware wise, there is a better hardware on iPhone 12. Connectivity wise, they both are same. There is extra on under display fingerprint on Nothing Phone, and charging is better on Nothing Phone. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.